Okay, KW big screen Android GPS car player, available for 9-inch and 10-inch, 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen, multi-angle view, IPS screen. A Play Store, download app, a Bluetooth, pairing phone Bluetooth, and click for the Bluetooth BT music icon for Bluetooth music. Share your phone music to car player. Radio, select the frequency you want. Okay, long press to save it. Video input and video output. Setting. Okay, network internet. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect your phone hotspot for internet. Storage up to 16 gig storage. System, about phone, Android version 9, 2020 July. A car setting. Okay, watch video while drive, on off. Reverse line. Device info. Android version 9, 1 gig RAM, 16 gig storage. Display, screensaver. You can set your time, change your wallpaper, and the brightness adjust. Volume adjust, and a factory setting. A password 000000. CAN bus setting. CAN type for CAN bus, high spec car. Touch learning. Video input and video output. Change your logo. A fast boot function, speed screen, PIP function. Okay, Android big screen player is come with 2 USB slot, USB extension, a GPS antenna, a power socket, RCA video input and video output, and camera input. So this is KW 9-inch or 10.1-inch Android big screen GPS player. No DVD, no SD card. Slim body. Thank you.